Hey guys, this is Melanie, and I'm here today with Ryan from General Stamping in downtown South Bend. Can you just give me an overview of what General Stamping is? What do you guys do? All those things.
Yeah, so General Stamping, we're a metal fabricator. We don't necessarily make the metal, but we take metal from steel mills and we produce parts.
Okay.
Whether that be brackets for a table or lawnmower parts, things like that.
And what do you specifically do at General Stamping?
I am the logistics manager.
Okay, and what does that entail?
So it's basically all of the movement, whether it's steel trucks coming in, moving parts throughout all the departments, all the way to shipping it out the door.
I'm the process engineer, so I'm in charge of standard operating procedures, packaging as well, and I oversee some departments as well. So it's a variety of roles.
Why would you tell students that logistics management is a good career to look into?
It's growing like crazy. Whether it's your Amazon packages getting delivered or a metal manufacturer like myself, anything that's moving is logistics.
What has been some of the benefits for you being bilingual in this specific industry?
Well, I grew up originally from Guatemala, so I'm a Spanish-speaking person, and I learned in high school what I know from English, you know. So it's been very, very good. Sometimes operators struggle at the floor because they don't quite understand the language, the English. And I've been able to help them, to support them in what I know also, you know, but it's been a very, very good experience.
What would you say your education experience was leading up to your job at General Stamping?
When I started, I was going to IUSB for a finance degree, and really started to take off with General Stamping where I'm at, and liked the work that I was doing, and I continued to get my associates in finance, but most of my work with logistics, I believe, was just the dedication and learning from my peers, things like that brought me to where I am now.
What kind of tips would you give for students as they start to prepare to look for jobs in similar fields?
You know, with the dedication side of it, I think it's really just taking your role seriously. You know, being able to show up to work, listening to your peers. I found very quickly with this job that everybody's willing to help you if you're willing to accept it.
Right, definitely.
So just coming in with a positive attitude and asking questions, and they help and you learn from it, and then eventually, hopefully, you show them something as well.